How to add a product on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a product on Shopee. First, open your Shopee application on your mobile device. Then, tap on Me in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Live Streaming. Then tap on Create Stream. Here, you need to set up your stream. Tap to add a title. Then, tap to add a description. You can add products from your likes and your shop for streaming. Tap on Add Related Products to include products. Select the product you want to add. After that, tap on Next to confirm. This is how you can add products on Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.